The cap assembly consists of the cap itself, an O-ring to seal the cap, and a lanyard so the cap isn't lost. There are a few different problems that are common with the oil cap assembly. The O-ring will eventually wear out. This will cause oil to leak from the cap. If the cap is over-tightened, the threads will be stressed and often break off, and the lanyard can sometimes break. Replacing the cap assembly is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the old oil cap from the saw. I'll unscrew the cap and then pull the lanyard from the tank. Now I can install the new cap assembly. First, I'll place the lanyard into the tank, and then I'll screw the cap into place. And that's how easy it is to install a new cap assembly on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.